Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate repetitive tasks with Make and ChatGPT. Think of this as hiring a tireless virtual assistant that handles email replies, writes captions, or organizes leads while you focus on higher value work. Before we jump in, make sure you have a Make.com account, an OpenAI API key, and at least one app to act as your trigger, like Gmail, Google Sheets, or a webhook. Keep your API key private at all times. You'll only paste it into the secure connection window inside Make. Start by creating a new scenario in Make. Open your dashboard, click Create a Scenario, then hit the plus button to add your first module. Choose the app that will start everything off, for example, Gmail with the Watch Emails trigger. This trigger is the moment your automation wakes up, so pick something that reflects the event you care about, like a new email arriving or a new row added to a sheet. Next, add ChatGPT. Click the plus button again, search for OpenAI, and select Create a Completion or Chat Completion. Connect your OpenAI account using your API key. This module is where the AI does the thinking, drafting replies, summarizing text, or generating captions. If you see options for different models, choose one that fits your use case. Chat-style models are great for structured, conversational outputs. Now write your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want. For example, reply professionally to this email, write a short Instagram caption based on this text, or summarize this message in one sentence. Then map the data from your trigger into the prompt, things like the email body or the text you want summarized. You can also include tone, length, or formatting preferences to guide the output. Add your action, the destination for the AI's result. Click the plus button and pick where it should go. You might send a reply in Gmail, save data in Google Sheets, post a message to Slack, or publish content to Instagram. Map the AI's output to the right fields, like message body or caption. If you're sending emails, consider using drafts during testing so nothing goes out before you're happy. Connect everything in a clean chain. Trigger to ChatGPT to action. Double-check that each module receives the correct inputs and that no fields are left empty. Finally, test the automation. Click Run once, trigger the event, send yourself a test email or add sample data, and review the output. If something isn't quite right, refine your prompt or adjust the field mapping. When the result looks good, you're ready to let it run and reclaim your time.